Sometimes railfanning can be a difficult thing, but the shots can be very rewarding. On the cold afternoon of February 11th, 2016, I got those same results. This day was a very blistering day, very cold, but I went out anyway because I knew one of the most amazing lashups might happen, and it did. 14R had a MEC SD4-2, CPSD60, XSU, and an MEC SD4-2 lashup. This has been my best lashup of 2016 so far. When I arrived up to Enola, the power in the train was not ready to leave. I headed up to Cove PA to wait for it while it would get assembled. While waiting for Cove, I would catch 3 trains. Our first train was the Westbound Pennsylvanian, with Amtrak 2 for power. Next up was Hotshot 21A, an extra section of 21T heading west for Kansas City MO with an NS-ES44DC and NS-944CW for power. Our final train at Cove PA was 66Z09, which took up on us, and it had an NSSD78, NS-944CW, and CPES44AC for power. We then headed over to the Buffalo line on the other side of the river. Here we catch the drain of the day. After hearing 14 or 11 had MEC 3400 or a Pan Am unit leading, I did not hesitate to catch it. Since September of 2015 and the sale of the D&H from Canadian Pacific to NS, Pan Am units have been going down the Buffalo line. The old 11R and 12R enola PA to Binghamton, New York, and vice versa numbers are now 11R and 14R. Instead of terminating at Binghamton like in CP days, 14R now goes to from Massachusetts, but 11R still goes to enola. For a while now, Pan Am units have been leading trains heading on the Buffalo line going south, but we haven't caught any leading. This date would be the date we finally not only got one leading, but two leading, and the CPST-60 was ex-Sioux as well. This catch is significant as it is also the first time a Pan Am unit has been seen by any rail fan in the Harrisburg area to see a Pan Am unit leading north instead of south. Usually they trail going north out of enola. In 2016, an EMD Spartan cab EMD Lashup is very rare indeed. The engineer gave some nice K5LA action as well. That was it for my trip to Harrisburg, PA. Special thanks to Nick Bass for the heads up on 6609 and to my mom for the ride. Look for more narrated videos coming soon, and thank you for watching.